Today we've got a quick and easy tutorial to help you boost your PC's performance and FPS by unparking your CPU cores. If you want to get the most out of your hardware, stick around, this is going to be a game changer. Alright, let's dive into it. CPU core parking is a power saving feature that can sometimes limit your system's performance. Unparking your CPU cores can help maximize your CPU's power and improve overall performance, especially in gaming or intensive applications. Here how to do it. First, you need to check if your CPU cores are parked. For this, you need to use a specific tool. Download it from the developer's website and install it. Once installed, open the app and you will see a summary of your CPU core parking status. To unpark your CPU cores, go to the CPU parking tab in Park Control. You'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the core parking settings. Move the slider to maximum performance to ensure all your core activities are active and not parked. Click Apply to save the changes. Next, adjust your power plan settings to ensure your system is set for high maximum performance. Go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound and Power options. Select the high performance power plan. If you don't see it, click on Show additional plans to reveal. And that's it. You've successfully unparked your CPU cores and should be seeing a noticeable improvement in performance.